Electricity. Electricity, we're glad we have it. Glad they invented the light bulb. But you know what? If you got smoke coming out of an outlet, or you even suspect that there's a short somewhere, err to caution. And that's one of the reasons that we're here today, and we're helping you understand your Home Saver Utility Shutoff Kit. Now you will notice that there are two choices when it comes to signage. Okay, we'll talk about this one here. Okay, very, very rarely, and houses typically World War II or before have screw-in fuses. You go, what's he talking about? Well, we want to make sure that we had our bases covered as good as possible. So if you got one of the fuses, this sign right here will show you exactly where the pull shutoff is, where the screw-in fuses are. You smell gas, you smell smoke, whatever the case may be, and you need to shut your electricity off, just pull that and call it good. Almost everybody that's watching this has this specific scenario when it comes to shutting your electricity off. It's a panel, okay? You may have a sub panel inside, you may have your main panel outside like most people do, but what you need to do is know when you see smoke coming out, you suspect a short or smoke or sparks or whatever the case may be, don't waste a second. Shut the electricity off right then, right now. So you can see by this picture, you can see where it shows the shut off switch, on, off, and there is an arrow sticker that comes in your kit so you can make it specific to your property and your panel. You're a home saver, you'll be glad you did.